Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the largest marine mammal park in Europe, Dolfinarium. This is the way we say Dolfinarium. Dolfinarium. So there is a light emphasis on the third syllable. Dolfinarium. 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 You can find het Dolfinarium in Harderwijk. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!